it's a disclaimer, oily skin people, stay away from this. My dark circles have gone down drastically. This is something that I cannot live without. That's how I always have a glowy skin whenever I wake up. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Drishti Vohra. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine as I was just going to go to sleep. So I thought, why not to show you guys what all I use on my face and how my skin is always so glowing even when I wake up from my sleep. So I'm going to be showing you some products that have worked like magic for me. And if you are someone with the skin type that I have, then you can definitely go with my nighttime skincare routine because it has worked for me and hopefully it should work for you as well. So I'm going to show you everything from A to Z, and if you are someone who wants to know what a nighttime skincare routine should look like, then please watch this video till the end. Alright, so I have just cleansed my face and now I'm just going to go in with the toner because that's very important. And as I said that in my previous video as well, before anything you do, you have to tone your face really well. You can either use those toners that are, in the market, but you can also use gulab gel because that also works as a toner, and I think that's one of the most effective way to tone your face, and it just gives a really nice fresh sort of a look, so you feel also fresh. Okay, so the next step is obviously to use a moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I use is from Cetaphil. It's the moisturizing cream, and since I'm a dry skin, this moisturizer really helps in hydrating my skin, and I always buy this moisturizer. So if you are someone with a dry skin, then definitely go for this because it works like magic, guys. Plus it's dermatologically tested, so you can go for this one. So I take some time in massaging the product into my skin so that it stays hydrated for long hours, and I know a lot of people don't do that. I don't know why they don't spend time on their skincare, but it's really important to do that. So the next product that I'm going to be using is from Kaya. It's the anti-pollution night mask. So again, this one is so good. I just love this. The consistency is also amazing, as you can see. It's gel based and it's super duper lightweight, so I love applying this on my skin, and it just feels so fresh and it feels really light on the skin. Use this before you sleep, massage it into your skin really well because this helps your skin rejuvenate, and that's how I always have a glowy skin whenever I wake up. So the next product that I'm going to be using is from Quench. It's the Mamacita Fading Under Eye Cream. Yes, I have a lot of dark circles which is why I always follow this routine, and I always put my under eye cream. This is something that I cannot live without, so I have to use this each and every day. I don't forget this step at all, and you guys also shouldn't, because I apply so much makeup on a daily basis, which is why I have to take care of my skin really well. I have been using this for a month. My dark circles have gone down drastically, and this didn't happen before. So I got this in PR, and guys, it is the best product I have used till now. Firstly, look at the packaging. So guys, this is what I love about this product. It has a roller situation here, which is super duper good. Every eye cream should put this roller thing here, and most of the companies don't. I mean, it's not a good idea to not put this roller because then you're not evenly distributing the product under your eye, and this actually helps in doing that, and it just blends in easily. So yes, this is what I love about this product. And also, Korean skincare is A1, so you gotta use some Korean skincare, guys, because you've seen how Korean skin is. So if you also want something like that, definitely go for it. So I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes. Wow, it feels so refreshing. So I'm not a fan of the fragrance of this, but the product works, and that's what matters to me. I mean, I don't care if the product smells good or bad. I mean, it's not that bad also. It just smells a little like Vicks, but it's not that bad. It's bearable, so you can use this for sure. Plus you cannot smell it once you've put it, so that's fine. Guys, my skin looks super duper juicy right now, and that's exactly how I sleep, and that's how my skin is always so glowing in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna top it off with some Vaseline. It's super affordable, you can get it for 5 to 10 rupees, but if you want to buy a bigger pack, you can buy that as well. So I'm just gonna hydrate my lips. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my nighttime skincare routine, and I hope you guys put this into your routine as well. If you have a skin like mine, please don't do it if you have a oily skin, because I'm a dry skin and I did whatever I did according to my skin type. So please, it's a disclaimer, oily skin people, stay away from this skincare routine. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with more such videos. Bye.